Welcome back to the Duy Magi YouTube channel. The revolutionary astrology form called Multiverse Astrology has captured everyone's attention. By utilizing the 6 dimensions in the geocentric and heliocentric universes, Multiverse Astrology provides interpretations and predictions with remarkable accuracy compared to other astrology forms. However, many people are currently wondering about the differences in astrological significance between the Earth-centric and heliocentric universes. Therefore, in today's video, let's explore together the differences between the geocentric and heliocentric astrological charts. Part 1. Multiverse, a breakthrough in astrology. The concept of multiple universes existing simultaneously has piqued human curiosity for decades. Similarly, multiverse astrology studies and explores the power of astrology across multiple dimensions in various astrological universes. It goes beyond understanding life and destiny on a single-dimensional star map, opening up various aspects that bring diversity and richness to understanding human life and destiny. The key to the precision of astrology lies in exploring new dimensions of space. The fact is that the most exceptional astrologers, ahead of their time in human history, have used multi-dimensional space. For example, Benjamin Franklin, the founding father of the United States, used 4 dimensions in the heliocentric and geocentric astrological universes to choose the date of the Declaration of Independence, which gave birth to the United States. Similarly, the date of the first Constitution of the United States was also his choice. History has proven that the United States is the most powerful nation in the world today. Likewise, the legendary stock market investor William Delbert Gann also applied astrology in multidimensional space in the heliocentric and geocentric universes to predict stock market fluctuations and achieved enormous success. Based on years of research, multiverse astrology has confirmed that the spatial dimensions in the geocentric universe and the spatial dimensions in the heliocentric universe hold equal significance. Part 2. The existence of geocentric and heliocentric universe. The geocentric universe is formed by fixing the position of the Earth at the center and then establishing the coordinates of other planets. There are many spaces in the geocentric universe, but the most common spatial dimension is the geocentric zodiac 12, formed by dividing the circle into 12 equal parts. This is the dimension that anyone studying Western astrology uses. And usually, people stop here. However, few people are familiar with the heliocentric universe in astrology. The existence of the heliocentric universe is confirmed when astronomers discovered that the Sun is the center of the solar system. In this universe, we determine the motion coordinates of the planets by taking the Sun as the reference point at the center. Therefore, we have 2 astrological universes, the geocentric and heliocentric universes. To be fair, many have been aware of the existence of the heliocentric universe for a long time. And this is not new to those who seriously and systematically study astrology. However, most astrologers often choose to ignore the heliocentric universe because they do not know how to interpret it. The reason for this is that the 12 zodiac astrology operates largely based on determining the coordinates of the rising sign and establishing the system of 12 houses. However, in the heliocentric universe, the rising sign does not exist. This means that there is no system of 12 houses here. Moreover, the 12 zodiac astrology always analyzes the position of the planets in the 12 zodiac signs. For example, astrologers of the 12 zodiac signs are always interested in how a person born with Mercury in Aries differs from a person born with Mercury in Cancer. However, when mapping the stars in the heliocentric universe, we often encounter cases where the positions of the planets here are in different zodiac signs compared to the star map in the geocentric universe. For example, let's consider the star map of a person born on January 1, 1990 at 12 noon in Vietnam. If in the geocentric chart, Mercury is in Capricorn, then in the heliocentric chart, Mercury is in Taurus. Similarly, in the geocentric chart, Venus is in Aquarius, but in the heliocentric chart, Venus jumps to Taurus. Similarly, Mars in Sagittarius in the geocentric chart jumps to Scorpio in the heliocentric chart. Due to this significant difference, most classical astrologers are at a loss, not knowing how to interpret the heliocentric chart. And only a few ahead of their time, individuals like Benjamin Franklin and William Delbert Gann have explored how to use the heliocentric chart, and history shows that they have achieved remarkable success. Part 3. The differences between geocentric universe and heliocentric universe. The research of multiverse astrology shows that both of these astrological universes reflect the essence of beings and phenomena. However, there is a significant difference between them, reflecting the complexity of life. Specifically, the geocentric dimensions speak about the inner essence of beings and phenomena. Conversely, the heliocentric dimensions depict how individuals are observed and evaluated from the outside. This is similar to the two sides of a coin. In a personal astrological chart, geocentric charts reveal how individuals interact with themselves and understand their own nature. Conversely, heliocentric charts illustrate how the person appears on the outside and interacts with the external world. This discovery holds immense significance in deciphering the essence of a person. Moreover, it helps us predict more accurately the differences in their psychological state and behavior, both internally and externally. For example, a person with geocentric charts having an abundance of energy from Jupiter, Neptune, but filled with the energy of Saturn, Lilith, or Xanthus in the heliocentric charts will exhibit a significant disparity between their inner world and how they present themselves externally. Specifically, they might appear negative, tense, and pessimistic to outsiders, while being internally quite stable. Simultaneously, their reception of negative aspects internally is much gentler compared to the seriousness they demonstrate externally. Conversely, a person whose geocentric charts are filled with negative energy, but whose heliocentric charts show a lot of positive energy, might be easily perceived as having an extremely negative, pessimistic inner self, lacking faith in life, yet always displaying a positive and stable exterior. Most of us only recognize this dark nature when, at some point, they encounter a major event that they cannot endure. It is then that their positive facade fades away, revealing many dark and bleak aspects within. For example, we might see them fall into a depressive state, even contemplating suicide. Similarly, on the incorporation date of a business, geocentric charts will indicate the internal dynamics of the company. On the other hand, the heliocentric charts will illustrate how the company is perceived and received by the public. Likewise, on the wedding date, geocentric charts will show how the members feel about their family. Conversely, the heliocentric charts will demonstrate how people around perceive and evaluate their marriage. In conclusion, multiverse astrology marks a significant advancement in the field of astrology by using 6 dimensions of space in the practice of interpretation on the geocentric and heliocentric universes. The use of these multi-dimensional spaces is in line with the ideas of legendary astrologers like Benjamin Franklin and William Delbert Gann. However, the difference between the geocentric and heliocentric universes is significant. Therefore, to provide accurate analyses, it is essential for individuals to remember that the geocentric universe emphasizes the inner essence of beings and phenomena. On the contrary, the heliocentric universe focuses on how their images are projected outward. In the upcoming video, we will learn how to read astrological charts across the 6 dimensions of space in the multiverse astrology together. If you want to learn about multiverse astrology, please subscribe to the Duy Magi YouTube channel. I will continue to create videos teaching this miraculous astrology system. If you are impatient to learn, you can sign up for my Multiverse Astrology online class at the link in the description below. Plus, if you want to schedule an astrology consulting session with me, please click the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.